Paper rustles in the breeze. Words of you come back to me. Ink still shines through time so thin. Your voice returns within the wind. The lamp glows low on dusty keys. Old letters hum their melodies. Your name still sings on every line. A memory that won't resign. Saxophone breeze deep and slow, carrying words from long ago. Letters in the wind tonight, drifting soft in silver light. Every tear, the pages new, flows back home to me. The record plays, the curtains sway, the years just quietly fade away. I read your voice between each line. The past still feels like you are mine. Through the window, shadows spin. Whispers call the night within. Love once lost now finds its way. In letters time can't fade away. Letters in the wind remain like sweet echoes in the rain. Folded dreams and hearts that bend find their song again and letters fly, and so do I. Moonlight falls on satin floor. Footsteps linger by the door. A final glance, a whispered sigh. Goodbye drifts beneath the sky. Your hand still warm within my own. The night hums low, we're not alone. The record spins its gentle cry, a song that knows we'll never try. Saxophone breathes slow pain. Every chord a gentle plea, every sigh eternity. Though the dawn will steal the sky, love still breathes where shadows lie. Moonlit balcony, goodbye. Underneath the pale blue sky, when tomorrow finds its way, I'll still hear the song we played. Moonlight fades, but love remains. Streetlights shimmer through the rain, silver songs of sweet refrain. Footsteps fade on old cafe stone. The night is ours, yet we're alone. A gentle hum from distant bars, reflection stands beneath the stars. Your shadow lingers in the mist, a ghost of love that still exists. Trumpet sighs a velvet tear, whispers echo, you are near. Streetlights after midnight glow, through the silence feelings flow. Every drop upon the lane calls your name again, again, again. The jukebox plays a slow embrace, a tune that time cannot erase. The bassline hums, the candles fade, our love's refrain so gently played. Every song becomes the same, every note still wears your name. Though the night drifts far away, your memory decides to stay. Morning light through silver haze, soft and slow the record plays. The storm is gone, the silence stays. Love still hums in quiet ways. Your coat still rests upon the chair. The scent of rain still fills the air. Coffee brews in amber glow, and memories rise soft and slow. Saxophone begins to sigh. The world awakes, the tears run dry. Morning after rain we see what the night has left for me. Every drop that kissed the pain spoke your name and eased my pain. Window glass reflects your eyes. Gentle truth, no more disguise. Each note falls like gentle grace. I still feel your warm embrace. The thunder fades to peace again. Love remains beyond the rain. Every chord a quiet vow. Forever starts from here and now. Morning after rain, so true. Skies of gold, remember you. In the calm I find my way. Love returns with light today. Morning shines, the rain is gone. Smoke curls slow in amber air. Your scent still lingers everywhere. The jukebox hums a soft refrain. Old love songs call your name again. Each note drifts like whispered wine. Memories caught between the lines. The night unfolds in silver hue, and every sound reminds of you. The trumpet sighs, the bass is low. lost in time and sweet embrace. Piano hums a gentle cry. The rhythm fades but won't say goodbye. Shadows waltz across the floor. The past still knocks upon the door. The sax replies in smoky tone. Our hearts replay what we've once known. Every chord a quiet plea, every rest eternity echoes through the smoke tonight. Guide me softly toward your light. Even when the dawn will break, the song of love won't fade away. Smoke drifts slow. Shadows dancing on the wall, vinyl whispers through it all. Needle spins a love once told in a glow of amber gold. Your coat still hangs behind the door. The air remembers what we swore. Each groove plays the sound of then and brings your memory back again. The trumpet hums a smoky line. Our song still breathes, though lost in time. Shadows on the vinyl play, echoes of our yesterdays. Through the static, soft and true, every note still calls for you. The night returns in shades of blue. Every sigh reminds me to the radio hums its gentle tune, and love drifts like the fading moon. On the floor, each one sung forevermore. Every groove a dream we spun. The record plays our hearts as one. Shadows on the vinyl stay, even as the dawn turns gray. Spinning slow, and me. Vinyl fades, shadows stay. Candlelight upon your face, time slows down the world's embrace. Every flicker, every hue draws me gently close to you. The night unfolds with tender grace. Your shadow dances in this space. The record hums a sweet refrain, and I find you there again. Saxophone in smoky glow tells me things I used to know. Candlelight promises remain, softly whispered through the rain. Love's not lost, it only hides in these gentle endless tides. Velvet curtains, shades of blue. Every dream still leads to you. The organ hums, the trumpet weeps. Love awakens where it sleeps. Shadows drift and hearts align. In this glow, your hand in mine. Every flame a vow we keep. In the silence, love runs deep. Candlelight promises tonight, guide us softly through the night. When the dawn begins to show, our hearts still softly glow. Candlelight, forever slow. Raindrops tapping on the glass. Time slows down as moments pass. Through the window, faint and true, every sound reminds me of you. The night begins its gentle song, where quiet hearts have waited long. The record spins, the candle gleams, and love softly through my dreams. Trumpet sighs in velvet air. You're the light still standing there. Whisper through the rain tonight. Every tear reflects your light. Hold me close, don't fade away. In your arms the storm will stay. The radio hums in silver tone, each chord a place we called our own. Your laughter echoes down the hall, a memory that warms it all. The thunder fades to gentle grays. Raindrops kiss the window's face. In the glow of love's refrain, I still hear you through the rain. Whisper through the rain once more. Love remains just like before. Even if the night must end, you'll come back with clouds again. Whispered rain. Love remains. Curtains glow in amber light. Time stands still this quiet night. The record hums a fading tune. The stars grow tired, the dawn comes soon. Your hand in mine, the shadows sway. The world outside drifts far away. Our hearts keep time to gentle sound, a rhythm lost yet newly found. The saxophone begins to cry, a tender hush, a soft goodbye. This last dance before the dawn, where every fear is nearly gone. Hold me close, don't let it fade. Love's the song that night has made. The candles melt, the air is thin, but warmth still burns beneath our skin. The organ sighs, the record spins, and time forgives where love begins. Every chord a whispered prayer, every breath still finds you there. In the hush where dreams belong, we keep dancing to our song. This last dance before the day. Take my heart, don't drift away. still be the reason why. The last dance, and this